Hi everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really easy and delicious simple lentils. This is a recipe that is about as easy as you can get. I've got a medium-sized saucepan here and the stove is not turned on. What we're going to do is add all the ingredients to the pot, stir it up a little bit, then turn it on, bring it to a boil, and then lower the heat and let it simmer until everything is cooked. So we're going to start with 3 cloves of garlic that I've finely chopped up, 1/2 cup of diced yellow onion, and then we want 1/3 cup of diced bell pepper. Now this bell pepper doesn't look very pretty. This was dehydrated bell pepper that I had. I'm out of fresh bell pepper, but I wanted to do this recipe, so we're using the dehydrated, no problem. 1/3 cup of diced bell pepper. Now we want 1 cup of diced carrot. We want a 4-ounce jar of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms that we've drained and added in there. If you want to add fresh mushrooms, no problem. 1 tub ought to be just perfectly fine. And then we have 1 cup of dried brown lentils that I have rinsed and drained. And then we want 2½ cups of vegetable broth. This can be vegetable broth that you made, or it can be store-bought, whatever you have, whatever you want. We want 1½ teaspoons of dried thyme and 1½ teaspoons of dried parsley. And then you'll want a little salt and pepper to taste. You can see my salt shaker here is just about empty. So I'm just going to add a little bit. We'll taste it after a while. And I've got some pepper I'm going to crack in there, and that's about empty too. So I didn't really get a whole lot out of there. Anyway, now I'm just going to stir it. I'm going to turn the stove on to high. I just want to bring this to a boil. And then we're going to cover it up and lower that heat down to simmer and stir it occasionally. And then when the lentils are soft and to my liking, we're going to call it done. It's really easy. Once you gather your ingredients, it's very simple. You can see this is starting to boil, so I'm going down to about a medium low on this, and I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. That's about how long it takes. Yours may take a little longer, a little less. It depends upon how you like those lentils to be. So I just want to calm this down a little bit now and just cover it back up. If this lid has vent holes in it, so this works. If your lid does not have vent holes, you might want to cock it just a little bit. All right, my lentils are done. I let them go for about 32 minutes, and as you can see, there still is a little bit of liquid in the bottom, and that's okay because it helps to keep them moist. So we're going to plate this up, and I'm going to show you what they look like. Here are the finished lentils. They're still piping hot, and they are delicious as they are. You can serve them over a bed of cooked grain of your choice, even pasta if you wanted to, or even potatoes, and you could use them to stuff a tomato with, or a squash or something like that. You can use these in a burrito wrap. You could do all sorts of things with these, but these are delicious just like they are. The recipe is below. Give these a try sometime. We really like them. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.